Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple way to fix TikTok app not compatible error on Shopify store. Now if you are trying to download the TikTok app and it displays an error not compatible, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can fix this problem. This is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify app store in the top right. Now after that, I'm going to search for TikTok. As you can see, now this is TikTok. Now as you can see, it displays this error: this app is not compatible with your store. So to fix this problem is very easy. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you want to go back and then you want to click on settings. Okay, of course you have to be on the dashboard of your Shopify store. Click on settings and then click on general, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, scroll down here and let me check. Okay, all right, now after you are here, what you guys need to do, you want to click where it says billing address, and below that you will find your country. Now the reason why the TikTok app is not compatible is because of your country. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to change the country and download the app, and after that you want to then after you download the app, you want to go back to your own country. Okay, you go back to the same settings and change to your own country. Now currently we are going to, like right now, we are going to change it to France. After we download the app, then we will be able to go back and change it to Morocco, which is my country. Now the address, you can just come up with any address you want, click on save, and that's it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Shopify app store so that I can download the app. I'm going to do that right now. Go back, click on apps and sales channel, Shopify app store. Now I'm going to be able to download this app. Okay, I'm going to search for TikTok. As you can see, now it says here free to install, and there is no error that says this app is not compatible with your Shopify store. Click on install and then click again on install here, and that's it. Okay, install the app, and after that you want to go back to the exact same settings, for example like general, and then you want to go back to your original country, which is Morocco. For me it's Morocco. Click again on save, and that's it, guys. You have successfully downloaded the TikTok app inside your Shopify store. If you need any help, if you have any problem, because I have had this problem, that's why I have come with this idea to show you guys exactly how I solved the problem, how I solved it. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. Drop a like and watch the video in the screen.